Get your appetites ready. Coahoma Community College will be serving up something delicious as they host the Men of the Mississippi Delta are cooking. The event, scheduled for Thursday, April 14th, brings together local chefs and home cooks and their cooking teams to battle it out to please the taste buds of eager, hungry attendees. Participating chefs come from all sectors across the Mississippi Delta, from banking to clergy, lawyers to realtors, higher education to local media, and everything in between. Chef's dishes, which are prepared off-site, will be judged by event attendees in the areas of taste, presentation, and creativity. The winning chefs will be awarded their share of $1,000 cash and other great prizes. One ticket allows you to sample various dishes that our participating chefs prepare. The proceeds benefit the Coahoma Community College Foundation Incorporated, a nonprofit geared towards assisting CCC students in achieving their academic and career dreams through financial support. So please join us in Clarksdale, Mississippi on Thursday, April 14th, 2022 from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. on the lawn of the historic Cottrell Mansion. This event will showcase the best of our community and provide needed scholarship dollars for our deserving students. We hope you will be there with us as we move to build a stronger and more sustainable Coahoma Community College. To register as a chef or join us as a patron, visit www.coahomacc.edu or click the link below for full details. We can't wait to see you there. So, get your appetite ready for a worthy cause.